Hello dear students, how are you all? I hope you all are doing well. So today we are going to start a new chapter that is working with styles and objects. Okay, so as in the previous chapter we have learned about the word. So this is the further process and further steps to make the Word document more attractive and professional. Okay, so style, what is a style? It is a predefined combination of formatting features just like font style, colors, size and bold, italic that's applied on a document to quickly change its appearance. So when you will apply a style, you apply a group of format, like you can change the size, you can change the color, you can apply the bold, you can apply the italic effects. Okay, so to format the title, like it is given, an example is given here that if you want to format the title, welcome to the world of style, as 16 point, that's a font size, Calibri Light, that font style, and the font color is Accent1. Okay, so we would require 3 steps. You can also achieve the same result by applying the same result in one step by applying the built-in heading 1 style. Okay, so by default the text that you will write or you will type will be in the normal style, but beside this normal style there are so many styles, inbuilt style that you can create, that you can add to your document, and you can also create and edit your own style. Okay, so style are of 2 types. There are 2 types of style. First one is character style, second one is paragraph style. As the name suggests, character style affect the selected text within a paragraph. Like a paragraph is given, and in that you have to in that you have to apply the style only in the specific text. Okay, such as font name, size, color, bold, underline, border and shading. So you can do it. In paragraph style, you will apply that style to the whole paragraph. Okay, so a paragraph style control all the aspects of the paragraph appearance, such as text alignment, tab top, line spacing, margin, border. It can also include the character formatting. So now the next topic is applying built-in style. So to give a polished look to your text or give an attractive look to your text, you have to apply a style from the built-in style gallery. So if you want to apply the built-in style, so first select the text to which you want to apply a style. Okay, like in this example, if you want to apply the style in this text, so first select it. Okay, after selecting it, however the mouse over each style in the style gallery to see a live preview in the document and select the desired style. When you will select it, okay, so next you have to go to the style gallery. Okay, in that you can see, you can preview the already built-in designs or styles that you can apply. You can also click on the more drop down arrow as it is shown here. When you will select it, a style will be like this. Okay, in this there are so many type of options given. You can choose any of them. Okay, or if you want to choose more, so you can go for the show more option. Okay, in drop down arrow. Or this one is first method. Second method is click on the style dialog box, launcher box in the style group. As you can see, the style group, it is hidden there, no problem. So in the style dialog box launcher button in the style group, then the style taskpan will appear at the right side as it is given here. Then it display a list of the built-in style. Then you can choose any one of them and observe the change in the appearance of the text. Okay, so the next point is creating a new style. If you want to create your own style, so you can do it. If you want to do it, so first select the text and click on the dialog box launcher in the style group that is under the home tab. This open the style taskpan. Okay, then click on the new style. As you can see, this is your style taskpan. In this, click on the new style button that is located at the bottom of the window. Then create new style from formatting dialog box will appear as shown. Okay, when you will apply it, it will shown here. It will be like this. Then type the style name. You can type any name here, give the name, and then choose the formatting effect. From here you can choose the formatting effect that you want to apply in your document. Okay, now select the new document based on this template radio button, and then so that the new style will be available in your all document for use. So you can choose it just like that you have chosen the previous one, and then click on the OK. So the new style will be assigned, name will be appear in the list next time when you will choose any style. Okay, so come on this one, let's know more. A theme. What is a theme? It is a set of formatting choice that can be applied to the entire document. It includes a theme, color, fonts and effects, etc. Okay, know the more fact. When you will apply any heading style from 1 to 9 on the text, you will observe that a small triangle appears on the left of each heading. So clicking on this triangle, collapse and expand the text body. Collapse means shrink. Okay, next and expand means to extend something or to increase something. Okay, next one is know the fact. Heading style are used for document navigation as well as for generating a table of content. The style heading in this is used for the document navigation or for generating the table of contents. Next one is quick view. To view the style task pane, you can use the shortcut key, that is Alt plus Control plus Shift plus S. This is the shortcut key to open the task pane. So if you will choose this shortcut key, so you don't need to go on the launcher box and all. You have to just click. You have to just select the text and then press these shortcut key, and so your task pane will be open. I hope this point will be clear to you. Thank you, students.